Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another video. In the previous videos we were checking out a software called Zebracat AI. We have already closed our number of tutorials regarding this software. If you haven't checked it out, I really invite you to go to the channel and check all of those videos out so you can get up to speed on what softwares we're talking about. And on this series we're starting with a new software called Zebracat. Zebracat is an AI powered tool used to create videos. You can do that a bunch of different ways. You can do it by uploading a prompt. You can do it by uploading a file. You can do it with a URL. You can do it a bunch of different ways that we're going to be exploring in this video and the upcoming videos as well. So once again, if you don't want to miss those videos out, I really invite you to subscribe to the channel. On this video, we're going to be creating a video based on a URL. We're going to be checking out how this tool works and the kind of videos that we can create using it. I am using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. So as always, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Zebracat's homepage. Right here we have the different ways in which we can create videos. You can create AI video by generating cinematic videos with AI powered footage. You can create an AI avatar video. We have checked out some of these examples in different softwares as well. You can use the blog to video tool, convert articles and URLs into video content. You can translate a video, or you can design your own avatar for you to use in different projects. So as I was telling you just some seconds ago, in this video we're going to be using this tool, the blog to video tool. So I'm going to be using this blog that is called Friends of Trees. It is a blog about trees, as you might imply from the name. If we copy the URL right here, you can select in which language the original blog is in. It is in English, so I'm just gonna leave it as such. You can select the duration of the final video from 10 seconds all the way to 5 minutes. I'm gonna select 60 seconds, so it's a 1-minute video. You can change the story style from general, ads, educational, and all of these other categories. I'm gonna leave it in educational since this is a blog about trees. And once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on generate script. Then you're presented with a couple of options. This is a script 1 and this is a script 2. You can further edit them if you want them to be exactly like you want them to. This script looks a bit more like what I'm looking for and it's a bit longer. So I'm gonna use this one. We can click on next step. Right here, you can select in which style you want your video to be on, from realistic to 3D animation, cinematography, line art, and so on. I think I like this one best. Or you can customize your style and make one of your own when you define it using these names, for example, neon punk, magenta highlights, or so on. I'm gonna click on next step. In this part, you can toggle on and off the option that makes the video to have character consistency. For the whole video to just have one character, you can edit it, or you can turn it off and then click on next step. You can also create your own character. If you go to this window right here, you can describe it, you can make it, you can name it, and then it's gonna be saved into the software. As of now, I'm just gonna turn it off and click on next step. Right here, you can select the ratio of the final video. 9:16 if it is going to be posted in social media for form content such as YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. 1:1 if it's going to be an Instagram post or a Twitter or Facebook post, or 16:9 if you're going to post it in, let's say, YouTube or Vimeo. I'm gonna make it a short format video. You can select the voice that is going to be used in the video from all of these different ones inside of the library. We can check each one, for example, Thomas.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done.
Or Michael.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
Or for example, this one.
Wir müssen den Schmerz annehmen und ihn als Treibstoff für.
As you see, there are a bunch of different voices and a bunch of different languages as well. You can further specify if you want, for example, a female voice, such as this one.
Dreams come true without...
And if you want a specific accent, for example, let's say an Irish accent.
The world is round and the...
and you can get specifically the kind of voice that you want. I'm just going to pick this one, Brian. You can turn captions on and off in this option right here. You can enable or disable the voiceover. If you disable it, this is not going to have any voice whatsoever. You can choose the mood of the final video. Right now it's happy, but it could be inspiring, serious, epic, suspenseful, playful, or energetic as well. You can toggle on and off the option to have music. And if you have a brand kit, you can select it right here for the final video to have, for example, your logo or your brand colors, so they are in line with what you want to create. Once everything's looking like you want it to, we can just click on generate video. It's going to take a couple of minutes to render our video. It says approximately 4 minutes. And once the software has rendered the video, we're taken to the editor right here. We have a timeline at the bottom like you're seeing on screen. Right here we have the captions. They are highlighted as they pass. If you move around the timeline, you can see in which specific second which specific word is being said. If you click on play.
Get ready to dig into tree planting with Friends of Trees, where 37 seasons are a blip on the radar for a 500-year-old Oregon white oak like Gary now.
And on the editor, you can see which specific media is being used, what voice is being used, the music that the video has, and you can edit any of the parts that you wanted to. If you go right here to media, we can change the way in which each of the scenes look. If you go to voice, you can change the voice that you have already selected in the previous step from all of those that I showed you in the library. We can add text if you want to emphasize something in a specific scene, for example, this text right here. You can filter colors right here if you want the original colors, or if you want it to be grayscale, vintage, and so on. You can change the music that is being played in the video, choosing from all of the different categories and all of the different songs inside of the library of Zebracat. In animation, you can change the way in which the animations play in the different scenes, and in transitions, you can select how one scene transitions to another. Finally, we have a lot of different elements that we can input in the video, all of these emojis and GIFs as well, if we want to add them to specific scenes. And if you go to the media part right here and you click on any of the media being shown on the video, we are taken to the stock library where you can search for a bunch of different things to include in your video. Let's say that we want birds. So if we search for that word, these are all the videos that we can select from that have birds in them. You can also upload your own footage for you to use in your projects, or you can describe what you want the image or the video to be, and then the software can AI generate it for you as well. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export. You can select the resolution of the final video from 720p or 1080p. You can select the compression quality, medium or high. I'm gonna leave it on medium. And then you can click on this option to prepare the video for download. It's then going to process once again. It's going to take a couple of minutes to process the video. And after a couple of minutes, the video has already rendered. We can check it out.
Get ready to dig into tree planting with Friends of Trees, where 37 seasons are a blip on the radar for a 500-year-old Oregon white oak like Gary now. Gary's enthusiasm is contagious as he recounts the first event at the 635-acre Jackson Bottom wetlands, teeming with bird life and ripe for restoration efforts now. You can be part of this vibrant community, like 60 volunteers on a crisp autumn morning, eager to plant 600 black cottonwoods and make a difference together. The feel good, do good, plant trees theme resonated deeply as people united by a shared passion for greening their community, some with families, others solo. Hillsborough's Japanese Community Day volunteers returned for their 27th year, showing long-term commitment to environmental stewardship and its impact on local ecosystems perfectly. Join the movement, sign up to volunteer, donate to Friends of Trees, and get ready to feel joy planting trees and nurturing a greener future today with us all.
As you see, the way in which the software creates a video just using a blog URL is really amazing. It adds all of the media that is relevant to the script that is being spoken right in that part of the video. It even adds the captions for each part of the video for all of the different scenes, and it highlights the word that is being spoken at that time. As you see, creating a video using Zebracat's tool for URLs is really easy to use and really intuitive. We just took a URL post about trees, and then the software took less than 10 minutes to create this video that I just showed you. You can play around in the editor to get specifically the kind of video that you want. You can choose from a bunch of different voices, from a bunch of different media, from a bunch of different styles, like the one that we picked that was a bit cartoonish, and all of your projects are left in the homepage of Zebracat for you to further edit, and you can reuse them in different projects as well. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.